We have our Premium Reporting Connector open in Visual Studio Code, and we start by looking at the README. First, we create a secrets.json file where we define the client ID and client secret credentials for our APS application. We can obtain the credentials by going to the Applications section in the APS Developer Portal. Next, we will add a Power BI specific callback URL to our APS application. Next, let's install the Power Query SDK for Visual Studio Code. We now select the Premium Reporting Connector query.pq file and run the evaluate current file command. This will now fail because we have not set our credentials yet. Let's use the setCredential command. We will be prompted to log in with our Autodesk credentials. And when we try the evaluate current file command one more time, it should now succeed. Now let's take the Premium Reporting Connector.mez file and copy it into a specific folder for Power BI. This folder is typically available under Document / Microsoft Power BI Desktop / Custom Connectors. And let's start Power BI Desktop. You may get a notification about an uncertified connector, in which case you can go to Options, and in the Security section, you can toggle the Data Extensions option to allow any extension to be loaded. This will require a restart of the application. And now we can try our new custom data connector. In the Other category, look for APS Premium Reporting Connector. First, you will be prompted to log in with your Autodesk credentials. And after that, you can connect to your data source.